everyone, welcome back to Scrap Bin Saturday, and I am here showing some altered paper, clothespins that I got from Dollar Tree. And let me see if I can find the set that there's 36 of these, and this is the natural. I mean, it's always natural until you start painting them, right? Okay, so I painted all my clothespins pink and some in, it's a, what do you call it? It's antique white. Let me see if I can find it quickly. Sorry. It's right next to my desk, so I used apple barrel antique white, and this is from Target. It's cherry blossom, and I think it's just a very pretty soft pink color, and I painted the entire clothespin, even the metal, you know. And then I covered that with my scraps with pattern paper, and they're all different, and they still have glue on them. Yeah, let me see if I can show you a different one. Here's another one with butterflies. This is another one with a butterfly. And then after I got all of these painted and covered with paper, I started going through my stash and seeing what I had, and I have this. It's from Michaels. It's these word beads that you can get in their beads section, and I bought a pack and I never used them. So I busted that out. I busted some of my flowers from my stash, and also I used some of my hearts that I made with the sequins. I kind of dug in that little area, and I used some wood veneers. So let me show you what I created. I know I showed some of it already. But, oh, and then I used some of my doilies too. My little doilies from my stash. So these would be great on cards, packaging to crafty friends. What else? Your planner. You could put this in your planner. But I mainly use it for packaging, you know, when you're sending a gift in Happy Mail. And they're just very, very pretty. And these are all the ones I made. And I even used a Prima butterfly on this one that says friend. And I just glued it on. It's really cute. And then here is my heart with the wood veneer and another little rose. So I just kind of went through my stash. Here's another butterfly. This one I just used, God, these strings, I hate these strings. I just used a Prima, excuse me, a Prima butterfly and a Prima mini rose that Recollections had one time. I have a ton of these. I need to use them. So, and then lastly, here's one with a doily, a flower. These are Prima, or these could be Recollection, I'm not sure, and a wood veneer. So, yeah, there are all these pretty little doilies and the beads and the flowers. I just love how they turned out. Aren't they cute? So I can't wait to send some friend mail and add these to my projects. I'm trying to build my stash, so all I have to do is just put them all together and send them off, okay? So I'll have everybody's links down below. That's in the collab this week, and I think we have one more week with I'm running out of ideas. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.